Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Frontier Museum in Monticello focuses on the realities of settlement rather than legends or spectacle. It presents frontier life as it was lived day by day, shaped by isolation, limited resources, and constant adaptation. The exhibits center on ordinary tools and household items rather than historic figures. Farming equipment, hand tools, furniture, and clothing show how settlers worked the land and maintained daily routines in a remote environment. These objects reflect necessity more than innovation, designed to last and to be repaired rather than replaced. One of the strongest themes is self-sufficiency. The displays show how families relied on their own labor for food, shelter, and maintenance. Very little was imported easily. Everything had to justify its presence by being useful. This practical mindset runs throughout the entire museum. The museum also documents how communities formed. Schools, churches, and shared workspaces appeared in photographs and artifacts, illustrating how cooperation became essential. Survival here was rarely an individual effort. It depended on shared labor and mutual support. Agriculture features prominently. Irrigation methods, livestock care, and crop storage all reflect how settlers worked within their constraints of climate and terrain. The exhibits make clear that farming here was never guaranteed. Weather, soil, and distance from markets shape decisions. What stands out is a lack of romantic framing. The frontier is not presented as adventurous or dramatic. Instead, it is shown as demanding and repetitive. Progress was slow, and success often meant stability rather than growth. The Frontier Museum preserves these details without embellishment. It offers a grounded view of settlement focused on work, routine, and endurance. The result is a clear understanding of how frontier communities function, not through ambition alone, but through persistence and shared responsibility.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.